Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Freeport, local and long-distance movers near me. Moving can be a complicated experience, but with the help of 3 Movers, you can be sure that your local moves won't be. Our team of highly trained professionals are committed to making your local move hassle-free. We'll provide you with a smooth experience despite the distance of your move. We know that every move is unique, and that's why we offer customized solutions tailored to suit your specific needs. With our excellent move coordination services and expertise, you can rely on us to ensure that your belongings reach your destination safely and securely. At 3 Movers, we go above and beyond to provide exceptional customer service. Let us help you make your local move a success. Moving long distances is a beautiful experience, but if you're carrying it out yourself, it may be the most daunting experience of your life. Thankfully, with 3 Movers, your move can be made simple and stress-free. Unlike local moves, long-distance movers require proper planning and preparation to ensure that your household items arrive safely and securely at your new location. At 3 Movers, we understand with the essence of keeping your items safe while in long-distance transit. Our team of highly trained ME staff possesses the necessary expertise to ensure your items are correctly packed and secured for easy transportation. In addition, we offer affordable pricing options that fit within your budget so you can focus on easing into your new environment. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Freeport moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.